If you own a Corvette, you're going to want to drive it every chance you get. But all that driving can cause your brakes to deteriorate. When it's time to replace your brake rotors, Rekudo offers high-quality replacement brake rotors for 65 through 82 Corvettes. Rekudo rotors are spec'd out with premium features like a black E-coat on fully machined rotor hats. This coating passes a 400-hour salt spray test, so it should continue to look good throughout the years. Friction surfaces get a double disc ground finish that virtually eliminate runout and eliminate variations in thickness. This finish is also non-directional, which provides superior pad and rotor braking. In addition, Rekudo brake rotors are mill balanced to reduce vibration and provide smoother and quieter braking action. Sold as a match pair for front and rear, they have the stock dimensions and even the OE style cooling vanes. When you need solid braking performance, look no further than Rekudo replacement brake rotors. Find these and other Rekudo brake and suspension components at Holley.com.